Here is a powerful phrase giving formal reasons. On the grounds that, on the grounds that. It means because of the reason that, and it is often used in formal or legal contexts. For example, the proposal was rejected on the grounds that it lacked sufficient evidence. It sounds stronger, more authoritative than simply saying because. Another example, the application was denied on the grounds that the requirements were not met. Use this phrase when explaining decisions in professional settings. If you want your English to sound more advanced and precise, start using on the grounds that. See you in the next episode.